Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I actually was going to do a skincare video this week, but I got something in the mail that I thought I would unbox because usually I get these and then I don't even share them. I will maybe film it and then never upload it. So this time I'm going to actually upload it, and it is my FabFitFun for spring. So let me show you the box. So I must have gotten some add-ons this month. I honestly don't even remember. It happens really early on in the year when they ask you to do the add-ons. And I know I customized it this time, but I don't even remember what I picked. So this is my massive box. We're just gonna kind of jump right in and open it. And I don't want to waste too much time because you guys have really been enjoying my shorter videos. So just let me know if this ends up being too long for you, or if you like this length of video. I would love your feedback. This box is just the cardboard. This is all recyclable. Or reusable, and it has FabFitFun on the inside with all the flowers. Oh, I did grab one extra thing, so we'll see how that looks. It is a house item, but then it has the regular spring box. So it has your regular paper, and then it always comes with like a referral thing, which if you guys want to, I can give you guys my referral code for $15 off your first box. This box came with some stickers, which I always love stickers. I like to decorate my planner with them. And then it comes with its little package, which tells you how much things are worth and what's in the boxes, and usually a few articles. And they always they work with HelloFresh. So I've used this before, but this is 13 free meals, including free shipping on your first box. But I probably won't use this, to be honest, because I just have such a routine. But yeah, so the first thing that I do want to share that was outside of my box that I ordered extra. I'm going to put that on the floor so I can actually face you guys. Also, I don't know if you can tell, but I did add a microphone. I have been using my actual mic, built-in mic with my camera, and in the past I've used a Rode mic, but I wanted something that's a little bit more small and easy to switch to different cameras. So let me know if you like the sound of this. I'm really hoping that in editing of this I like it, because it wasn't super expensive, and I will totally leave a link down below if you're interested, but I wanted to see if it would work. So anyway, my one extra item were these coasters. I have a thing about coasters. I don't know why, but I just love having variations for each season and stuff. Let me know if you're like that about coasters as well, or even if you care about coasters. I have a lot of wood furniture in my house, so I try to be super careful about it. And these are by Bloomingville, and they're woven seagrass coasters. It's a set of 4, and they are each woven differently. So they're wrapped in some twine right now. And there's 4 different ones with 4 different designs. Yep, and they're all they all have a slight variation, but they're all white and tan. And I thought that this would really go well with my living room decor and this kind of aesthetic. So really excited about those. And now we're gonna jump into the actual spring items that were possible to get in the box. I'm going to share with you the cost of them and tell you if it was a decision that I chose, or if it was a customization option, or if it was something that was just in every FabFitFun box. So starting off are these Say Hello fabric, reusable beauty rounds. So this is for, you can use them to remove your makeup, cleanse, etc. It's a set of 3. They're really soft. And I really wanted to get these because I'm tired of using little cotton pads. I don't know if this is something that I've actually customized, but I've been having this on my radar for a while. I forgot to mention, so for the coasters, they were $35, but obviously you didn't pay full price for them. They always have discounts. And then for these beautiful Say Hello beauty rounds, this is a 3-pack for $15, and this was a FabFitFun pick. So this isn't something that I chose. This is something that they chose for me based off of my preferences, and I've actually really been wanting to use these and kind of reduce my waist with cotton rounds, so I'm really excited about these, and those will definitely go to use. So next, this is for annual members, so people who purchase the annual annual membership instead of the month to or season to season membership. And this is the Summer and Rose tweezers and pouch, which I can always use tweezers. I really like Tweezerman tweezers, but I had this really good pair and I have no idea where they went, but these are really cute. It's like a little peach set, and this one has some little like peach colored roses on it. I'm sure they're great. Any tweezers that are sharp usually do a good job with tweezing the eyebrows. So this retails for $20. So this is actually one that I picked, and this is a lunchbox. This is by the brand Our Place, I believe. My husband and I have a weird thing about like bento boxes and cute lunch boxes, and this one is just, it was too cute to pass up. So it is, it's just a lunchbox, but it's BPA free. It comes with utensils, and it's normally $35. I really like this little strap that kind of holds it closed, which is really, really nice. And it looks like you just kind of unhook. And it kind of has like this corally peach color and this little sandstone sort of topping. But it comes with spoon, fork, knife, and chopsticks and the top layer here. And then when you take this off, it comes with a little sandstone layer, and then you can take this out and then have something even underneath that. So you can have like multiple layers in your lunchbox and your utensils, so everything is reusable, and it's really nice and organized and fits perfectly in a little box. So I would definitely use this. Like, I'm probably going to use this even if I'm working from home, because I think that it's so easy to just like have a lunch packed and just not have to think about what you're going to eat the next day. This is nice. I'm a big fan. This is another FabFitFun pick. I'm not 100% sure that I'll use this. It's really cute. Like, it might be cute for like summer. It is a cactus water cup. So it has a straw, and you can put your little water in here. It's actually pretty small, but these sides also fill up. And this retails for $20. Yeah, so it's just like a little aesthetic cup. It's really cute. It's supposed to hold 21 ounces. I may give this to like my niece or something. Like, it is really cute. I'm just not the biggest fan because it's really bulky and not really like super like user friendly, but it might be cute for like an Instagram picture. You know what I'm saying? So it's cute. I'll find a use for it, or I'll gift it to somebody who would use this more than I would. But this retails for $20, and I feel like this is something you could get from like Five Below. But it's from the brand Pink Sky, so maybe it's just like a brand I don't know about. It's really cute. I just don't see myself using it. Okay, next is a cosmetic organizer. This is also this is an annual member customization pick. So I don't know if I picked this one. I honestly don't remember. But this retails for $30. Let's open it up. I mean, I could always use another makeup organizer. That's really aesthetic. This is really cute. You can have like some concealers, eyeliners, lip pencils, some lipsticks, some liquid lipsticks, or some like, you know, like brow pencils or cream eyeshadows, and then you have like a larger section for other items. I think this is really cute, and it has little daisies on the bottom of it. I had to figure out how I would put that in here. It will fit my aesthetic of this room really nicely because it kind of has the same color scheme. I just have to figure out how I'm going to use it and display it on my makeup table here. So the next item is the Gloss Modern Clean Luxury Hair Mask. This retails for $55, and I wanted to get this because my hair is super dry. I am getting it cut on Friday, but my hair's been super dry, and I've been just trying to like figure out the best like products or hydration technique for the ends of my hair, and I just feel like a hair mask will do really great things. This is something that I did pick from a customization option, and I'm excited to use this for, I don't know much about this brand, but I will try it out, and if you guys want to know more, I will update the little box for information down below. But yeah, I don't know if it smells like anything. It's probably like wrapped up or something. Ooh, it smells like, you can smell it through the foil. It smells like coconut. But yeah, so I have a little hair mask. This is a oil from the brand Earth Harbor. It's Marina, and it has spirulina and blue tansy. It's a brightening oil, which I've been noticing. I've been working a lot on my skin, trying a lot of new products out. So in my next video, which will be a skincare video, I will talk about all the new products that I'm using. But I've been noticing like a dullness in my skin, and I just want it to be more brightened and kind of look more youthful. So I chose this product. This retails for $38. So this is something that if I love it, I would easily repurchase. That's not super expensive. But I wanted to try it out because a brightening serum isn't something that I currently have in my collection that I've been kind of lacking. So I'm hoping that this will fill that gap. The last one is something I also picked, and this is the, let's see what it's called here. Jenny Kane Water Hyacinth Tray with cutout handles. So it's just a little woven tray. This retails for $45. I didn't always pick out of like, I've tried to pick things that I like genuinely thought would go in my house and things that I would like. There are things that were available that were much more expensive. Like there was an Alice and Olivia duffel bag that retails for $158. There's just like certain things that I just kind of didn't really want to add more clutter into my house. The stuff that I'm going through in my life right now, I'm trying to minimize and really make sure that the products that I have in my life are things I'm going to use. So that's why I thought this would be really cute to kind of go along with those coasters, which is why I picked out those coasters as an extra. But yeah, so this is really nice. It's good quality, nice and sturdy. But yeah, I really just wanted to have something. I always have this like in the center of my living room table to just kind of not be like a catch-all necessarily, but I put like remotes in here. I'll put some of the coasters in here so when guests want to grab a coaster, they can just kind of grab it out. So it just looks a little bit more organized and clean and put together. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know that it's a little bit chaotic when I'm opening stuff from a box and kind of reading information about it at the same time. So if next time you would prefer for me to actually go through my stuff first before unboxing it and then just kind of share with you what I get, let me know in the comments down below, because I will for sure do that kind of layout for this sort of video in the future if that is what you prefer. Also, let me know how the sound is. I really hope that this microphone makes a difference, because I was just kind of tired of like the ringing echo sort of tone in my previous videos, and I was just kind of looking to upgrade it a little bit. I know I didn't, you know, go all out with my money, but I wanted to get something that I truly thought that I could use and wasn't super crazy expensive and was easy to use with all of my cameras, like this one that I chose. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys also get FabFitFun and if you guys chose any of the same items that I chose this season, I guess. But I would love to know what you guys picked. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you would like to subscribe, please hit the subscribe button down below and join my family here on YouTube. If not, that's totally cool. Thanks for tuning into this video, and I hope to see you guys pretty soon in my next one. Bye guys!